How to find your shopping cart on TikTok. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can solve this problem of yours. Before that, make sure that you have installed and updated the latest version of TikTok on your device. If you have already done so, then you can open your TikTok like you normally do. After opening your TikTok, when you go on your profile and if you see a shopping cart, then you can simply go. Otherwise, you can go on the setting or privacy option. On the settings and privacy option, if you see there is the option of shopping cart, then you can simply tap there. But if you do not see the option of shopping cart, then what you can do is scroll down up to the very end and tap on report a problem, because sometimes TikTok might not show you this feature and you should report a problem and it will give you a feedback after few days, and you can follow that and your shopping cart in TikTok will be accessed. So go to report your problem and state your problem like, I do not have a feature of shopping cart on my TikTok profile, and then send the problem by the screenshot or anything that you can do, and then the TikTok will reply you and give you a feedback after few days, and this will surely solve your problem. So this is how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below